Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to introduce you to the CPanel or control panel, which is the world's #1 web hosting platform, web hosting manager. So in the previous video we registered a new hosting account, and then I showed you how from that account, from your client area, you could log into CPanel. So first of all, we have the file section. This is where you upload all the files related to your site. In an event, let's say you create a site manually using a programming language, HTML, CSS, or whatever. This is where you mostly want to come and upload the files. But with WordPress, mostly you don't need to worry about where to upload them. WordPress will figure out exactly where to upload your files, where to install what and when. So you don't have to worry about that. So mostly, but if for any reason you have use for the file manager, this is the link you're always going to be working with. Billing and support, yes, all information about billing, support, transfer of domain, and a lot of things, upgrade and download of hosting accounts, a lot of things. Databases, of course, very important place, but this is also not too important if you are just working with WordPress. A lot of the database related functionalities are going to be done behind the scene for you, so you don't need anything or any problem. You don't have any problem with that. And then the domain name, this is where you manage your domains. Add-on domains, a very important thing. Depending on your hosting account, there are certain hosting accounts that allows you to add 2 or 3 more domains. So which means you're going to have, like, let's say it's 3 add domains, which means what this means is you can add 3 different domain names to this very one hosting account, which means you can have 3 websites running, but all the 3 websites will be sharing the resources of your hosting. Let's say that hosting gives you 10 gig bandwidth, 5 gig disk space. The 3 websites are going to be sharing from it, but this is not always something you should do, except if you are using a high hosting resource. There are certain hosting accounts. For example, here at SitePort, you could upgrade. We have a package that allows you to add, I think, let me see, 10 add-on domains, which means you could have 11 websites, 10 add-on plus the main website of the account. Subdomain names is where you come to create things like support.websitename.com, blog.websitename.com, things like that. Email, this is where you come to create your email, and then I'm going to be creating a video especially for this section because it's important. Mostly if you see an email like, let's say, ceo@siteport.com.ng or something at websitename.com, this is how and where, this is where it's created. And then let me see another important place. Okay, if you scroll down, there are 2 things very important that you need to get familiar with. Quick install is the software you use to install most popular apps and web applications, on your website. For example, in this course, we're going to be using Quick Install to install WordPress, but another very excellent choice is Softaculous App Installer. Is very, very intuitive. The steps are simple. You're going to be installing WordPress using this software in 2 to 3 steps. Nothing fancy, nothing difficult, nothing hard to do. So of course, yeah, this is an extension of Softaculous App Installer. So let's say you want to install WordPress. You select WordPress here, and then you come here to say install now. After clicking install now, it will ask you to select the version of WordPress. The default is okay. You select the domain you want the WordPress to be installed on, and then you enter the name of the site, you enter the name, the description of the site, and then don't check this one. This is mostly for WordPress multi-website installation, but you don't want that. Then you create a password for the admin, the username and password, the email, and then that's just all. Very, very simple. That's all. Once you're done selecting all the options, you come here to say install, and before you know it, you're good. Pretty simple nothing to worry about. So I know this video was rushy, but I understand. I didn't want to insult you with repetitions. I just felt this is straightforward, but I'm always around, my team and I. In case you have a problem with any of the steps, please drop us a message and then we'll attend to you. We'll make sure we fix things for you. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the course.